foundation of Thai society is its agricultural base, in which rice has always been the core of a stable and secure life. I have had a chance to study and experiment working in the rice paddies, and I realized the hardship of obstacles. Since one of His Majesty the King's commitments is to ensure that the kingdom's farmers are able to thrive within their means, it is therefore not surprising that numerous royal activities involve agriculture. The fact that there is a personal royal rice paddy field within the Jilada Palace grounds emphasizes the importance of agriculture to His Majesty. In the year 1960, His Majesty the King reinstituted with modifications the royal pouching ceremony, which had not been performed since 1936. To preserve this sacred ancient ceremony for the purpose of raising the morale and spirit of the Thai populace, which is primarily agrarian. At the time, only of the Phut Mongkol royal ceremony was performed. The modification His Majesty combined both ceremonies to encourage the morale of the farmers during that period. For the last 4 decades, we have been on many auspicious occasions, being graced with His Majesty's personal participation in the pouching ceremony. Along with the information and practical know-how rice grains from His Majesty's demonstration rice paddy have been distributed throughout the kingdom to individual farmers as a token of His Majesty's concern and a symbol of His sincere wishes for their prosperity.